Thank you for joining us for this video that answers the question, which repair kit should I choose? In this video, we will cover the differences between our repair kits and help you identify which is the right kit for your project. Bonstone is proud to offer a variety of kits for repairing chips, cracks, and scratches, as well as reattaching broken stone. Bonstone's repair kits are ideal for countertops, tile flooring, showers, outdoor living spaces, and more. We've broken down our kits into 3 levels of use: beginner, advanced, and professional. Let's start with our beginner kits, the natural stone and scratch repair kits. The natural stone repair kit is designed for building the chip, crack, or scratch on matte or honed surfaces. It can be used on horizontal or vertical surfaces, such as the front edge of countertops or walls. The natural stone repair kit will repair cracks or chips with a width from 1/8 inch up to 1 1/4 inch and a depth of 1/8 inch up to 1 inch. The kit includes liquid tints that can be used to color match the adhesive to match the rest of the stone. To get a high polished finish, we recommend using our next kit, the scratch repair kit. In this example, we used Last Patch Diamond along with some colored tint to color match and fill the damaged area. Our next kit featured is the scratch repair kit. This kit is ideal for filling and top polishing. It should only be used on highly polished surfaces. This kit comes with CA glue super thin, which is a flowing material ideal for horizontal repairs, and the CA gel, which is a knife grade material ideal for vertical work. The scratch repair kit will cover repairs from a width of 1/2 inch up to several feet and a depth from 1/64 of an inch up to 1/8 of an inch. In this example, we used the CA glue super thin to fill the chip, and after a little polish, it was as good as new. Next, we'll move on to our advanced kit, the granite and marble repair kit. The granite and marble repair kit includes everything from the natural stone and scratch repair kits, plus gloves and mixing cups. This kit is a perfect starter kit for contractors and stone care professionals to have for job site repairs and installs. This kit is ideal for repairing cracks, scratches, and chips and restoring to a polished finish. In this example, we used the Last Patch Diamond along with some colored tint to build the chip up to the surface area. Next, we'll move on to our professional line, the Deluxe Stone Repair Kit. Please note, this kit is not recommended for homeowners or DIY users. The Deluxe Stone Repair Kit was designed for the seasoned professional. It has all 3 kits in one, plus Express 2, which is a flowing epoxy for repairing cracks, reattaching stone, and injecting under hollow tile. This kit also includes stone dusts and powdered tints for creating opaque and translucent patches where there's a lot of color variation in the stone. In this example, Last Patch Diamond was used to reattach part of the broken piece and fill in the gaps using stone dusts and powdered tints to match the look of the translucent stone. And in this example, we used Last Patch Diamond to reattach the broken corner of this plaque.